everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm sharing new makeup release by Huda Beauty PrettyGrunge. Liquid Matte and Silk Balm Duo. This price is 120 United Arab Emirates dirhams. A limited edition. Full-size liquid matte lipstick and silk balm duo. With all the benefits of ROG formulas in new shades. The liquid matte is an ultra-black shade called X White. The ultimate way to make any look grunge. Silk Balm comes in the shade Goth Gloss or Icy Balm plumping formula with a gray tint. X White Liquid Matte is smoothing and intensely pigmented for instant impact, and Silk Balm is hydrating and lightweight, creating a mirror-like shine, making even the grungiest lip look juicy. 8-hour wear liquid matte lipstick plumping formula. New limited edition Shadow Sculpt Fave formulas. A killer combo of intense matte pigment and ultra shine. PrettyGrunge face gloss. This price is 161 United Arab Emirates. A limited edition highlighting gloss with a sheer multi-use formula that effortlessly gives a luminous sheen to the lips and cheeks. Formulated with pH Bloom. This limited edition gel gloss is clear when applied, but adapts to a subtle punk pink blush with a silky, reflective glow. A lightweight, non-sticky, and easy-to-use face gloss melts into the skin for a natural dewy finish, making any grunge look pretty. The unkempt style of the grunge aesthetic mixed with a polished pink gloss creates glossy grunge for a more feminine and wearable approach that is inherently different. Multi-use for lips and cheeks, bloom for sheer custom color. Easy application for on-the-gun and sticky dewy effect. Lip Contour 2.0 automatic United Arab Emirates dirhams. Buttery soft, so light on your lips and super easy to use. Universal shades, so pigmented, long-lasting. Creates a fuller-looking pout matte finish twist up and retractable tip, your request. Mini sharpener included. PrettyGrunge eyeshadow palette. A limited edition. 18-well eyeshadow palette packed with ultra-pigmented shades and innovative textures. Everything you need to create an everyday look, a grunge vibe, or sultry siren eyes. This smoky, cool-toned palette is full of wearable and versatile shades from matte nudes to multi-chromatic foils, a black eye gloss, and decadent sparkly blacks and silvers. Universally alluring. These shades help you rebel and redefine your look every day so you can be unapologetically glam. Mode. PrettyGrunge Liquid Matte Lip Quad. This price is 136 for our iconic liquid matte lipsticks in mini size. To embody the grunge attitude, the quad has two of our best-selling shades, Bombshell and Sweet Talker. If you like my today's video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.